Hello and what's up, everybody? In today's video, if you're trying to find your broadcast list on your WhatsApp, we are going to go ahead and guide you through the process and simplify your communication. So you can open up the WhatsApp application for that. Open up WhatsApp, and once you access your WhatsApp application on your screen, once you are there, you will be finding this. From the chats tab in the WhatsApp app, what you need to do is look out for the more options, the three dot in the top right corner, and tap on it. And that should open up this page. You can select the broadcast list from the given menu that appears. Or you can tap on new broadcast if you do not have any. And when you tap on it, there you will be finding all of your broadcast channel available. And that is it here. Once you've opened up the list, you can just go ahead and uh, tap on it to view the list or edit it out, and just go ahead and do so. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to go ahead and search for broadcast list on WhatsApp, it is pretty easy. You can just go ahead and tap on the three dot and tap on the broadcast option, and there you can just go ahead and use the search bar at the top as well to go ahead and view the specific channel that you would like to view. So therefore, you can try out this method for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.